Garcia here. Today we're going to show you a testimonial. This is a patient that had 2 failed ACLs, a lot of damage on the inside of the knee, so we're obviously getting more complicated. We did a full check of the knee, alignment, everything, and ended up needing to have bone grafting. So basically we had to remove all the old stuff, do new tunnels because the ACL tunnels were not where we wanted them to be, and then bone graft them. So this is about a 4-month wait from this surgery. And then during that surgery, we also found out that he was missing his meniscus. He was also missing cartilage on the inside. So this is a pretty extensive procedure. So we decided to do a new ACL. We used his own quad tendon. We did a new meniscus for him, so a meniscus transplant, and then new cartilage for him as well. So once all that had been completed, we did the meniscus transplant, the cartilage transplant, and the ACL. And it's a lot more work to do that, but doing it together actually has a better result, at least what I've seen in my practice. So hopefully you enjoyed Testimonial and learn a little bit about this. Thanks.
I had some pain, walking around every day, and it was definitely not a good way to be as a young person.
How many ACLs did you have before this?
I had 2 ACL tears before this, and then this was my 3rd.
And how did you feel coming into the office?
I was pretty frustrated and nervous that it would never be the same, but now it's a lot better, and I can walk and run around pretty much pain-free, and it feels way more stable than it did ever before. The explanation of the surgery was good. I watched the videos online of what the surgeries were going to be, which helped me understand and feel confident coming into the procedure day that I knew what was going to be happening while I was under. The rehab was good. It was long. I had a program and an app on my phone that my physical therapist could add exercises to, so that I could keep track of where I was and what my program was. And yeah, the rehab was good. It was 3 to 4 days a week for a year. Now I'm doing good. Like I said, I can kind of walk and run around pretty much pain-free. I am probably about 60% of the way done with rehab. It'll probably be a full 1.5 years or 2 years until it's 100% pain-free. But totally functional now, and yeah.
Are you happy you did this?
Definitely happy I did it. It would have been a lot more pain to not do it.
If your friend had had the similar injury to you, would you recommend it?
Yeah, if someone else had the same, knee problems that I had, I would definitely recommend.